Everybody dies in the end, Drew said as he tossed a piece of popcorn into the air. He watched it fall back down and bounce off his upper lip onto the apartment floor. Besides the couch he was sitting on, the space around and behind him was dark and almost indiscernible, with no lights and no objects. What? Kevin said, confused, looking over at Drew from the other side of the couch. Drew pointed at the TV with the remote in his hand. On the screen was a thumbnail of a movie. At the end of this movie, everybody dies. It's intense, but it's really good. Why would you tell me that? Kevin asked frustratedly. I just figured you'd want to know. To, help decide if you wanted to watch it or not. It's a super important part. Yeah, but why would I want to know that before watching it? You just ruined it. Why? Drew asked earnestly. What do you mean, why? How does it ruin the movie? You know it's going to end either way. Kevin grunted, dumbfounded. But it spoils the ending. Now I know what's going to happen. True, Drew said, slowing himself down and taking an audible breath. But it's too late now. I already told you, so no point in getting all upset about it. Okay, but now I don't want to watch it. Seriously? But it's really good. I want to watch it, Drew responded. But you've already seen it. Yeah, but like I said, it's really good. I really think you'll like it too. And if you enjoy it, will anything really be spoiled? Kevin thought to himself for a moment. Yeah, but I wanted to be able to hope and theorize and predict what was going to happen. Not know. If you know essentially everyone dies in the end, the hope and uncertainty are gone. Drew nodded sympathetically. I've seen it 3 times, and every time I watch it, I laugh at the funny parts, cry at the sad ones, love and loathe the different characters, feel the hope and uncertainty embedded into each of them, consider all the possible ways things could go, even if they don't. I still care, and the ending doesn't change that. Both Kevin and Drew paused for a moment, looking back at the TV screen in silence. The movie's thumbnail held in place, waiting to be started. Come on, let's watch it, Drew said matter-of-factly, interrupting the silence. Kevin leaned back in the couch cushion, paused for another moment, and then grabbed a handful of popcorn. All right, fine, he said, pointing at the screen. Drew lifted up the TV remote and pressed play. Various colors and shapes projected onto Kevin and Drew's faces. On the screen, a bouquet of lights shifted and morphed into a family sat at what seemed to be a kitchen table. All would not be well in the movie, but in this moment, all was well. Thank you so much for watching. One of the most important things we can do in life is learn how to better face up to and embrace the conditions of our existence. This, of course, can be extremely difficult, often convoluted and overwhelming, but with the right tools, time, and effort, we can find better frameworks of perspective and experience. I created a guided journal designed to help make this process more accessible and engaging. It's called All the Ways Things Could Go, and it uses creative writing and drawing prompts to help you explore your subconscious mind, clarify what you value, and arrive at deeper, more honest understandings of yourself and the world. It's especially helpful for those who have tried or wanted to journal but found it difficult to know where to start and what to write about. It's available as both a hardcover and digital download. If you're interested, the link is in the description below. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching in general, and see you next video.